Hey guys, back with another video. Got a bike review today. It's updated. So yeah, let's get into it. So today, I've updated the stem. I've got an SE stem. So yeah, and then I've got Lucky 6 grips, as you can see there. Got a new shifter, MT6000. They are so good. I love it. Switched from the, what was it?
Like the
micro shifter. And switched to those. And then you can see down there. I've got DMR pedals right there and there. DMR V6s. Got a nice SE seat. If we'll focus. SE seat right there. Yeah, most of these are for my birthday. So yeah, that's the new bike review. Let's get to the second one. We got Gab's bike right here. He's updated the stem, and that's about it. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, but I have to get more, to be fair.
But he is upgrading it eventually.
I need to buy
what are you gonna get for it?
shifter, cassette, sprocket, derailleur, and then pedals, new sheet, C-clamp, pegs.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some Mafia pegs as well.
Yes. Probably, I don't know, new crank.
New crank, come on.
Yeah.
What else?
C-post.
You get a new super, yeah.
Yes, and then spray my forks. That's all.
Yeah. Look at this beautiful sunset. What the f are you doing?
I need to know. Yeah.
Okay. Hey! Hello, monkey! What a beautiful view. You saw
And
me.
rims. Two spotter rims.
You're going to tell rims?
I'm probably hooked on. Guys,
just look at that. Wait. Wait.
Oh yeah.
Just look at that, though.
New dust cups incoming.
Yeah. But just
And
look at the bike.
I bought a helmet yesterday. No, today.
He's got a helmet.
I bought it off Chain Reaction. And Loudly stickers.
I've got a new trim.
Loudly on top, innit?
Show my trim.
Yeah.
Look at this new trim.
Yeah.
We just don't look at the font. We don't look at the font.
And mine.
New trim. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's get to the montage of the bikes.
Yeah, I think.
So when I'm finished these bikes, before we end it off, when I'm finished with these bikes, we're probably going to upgrade to Chunkies or C100. So yeah, stay tuned for that video.
Sure. Or LH1.
Stay tuned for that video until we get the bike. My hand's a bit dirty.
Loudly sponsor me, please.
Don't sponsor him. Do not sponsor him.
Please, Loudly Lit.
Do not sponsor him. So yeah, in a bit guys. See you in the next one.